discussing the school announcements and the calendar events on the homepage of every school website. A lot of webmasters start now think that you add and edit on the page. That's actually not where that happens. What we want to do is go over to Site Contents, and in there you will see two lists. One's called Announcements and School Calendar, and this is where we edit those items and add them. Simply for announcements, click on a new announcement. We will call that Test Announcement. You would describe your announcement here. And this field is very important down here. The expiration field is when that item, if you put in today's date, tomorrow it will automatically be taken out of the announcements list. So it's always important to put an expiration date in there if it is an announcement that actually will expire. If you see old announcements up in your announcements list on your homepage, that webmaster forgot to put in an expiration date. So go ahead and make sure you have an expiration date for the event. Go ahead and save that. If we come back out on the homepage, we will see our test announcement. Very similar process for the calendar. Come down to school calendar. Go to the day that you want to add the event. Put in a school address. And these two fields are important. If it is a event that's an all-day event, you can come down here and actually choose that. At that point, it will make that event an entire day. In this case, it's May 5th. If you have an event that is a short time, maybe it's an after-school event, and you want it to actually have an end date, you can go ahead and put that time in. You'll see it on the calendar. We'll come back out, and we now see our test calendar event, and we see our test announcement. To delete those items, you would go back into the respective list, and you could either click here on the ellipsis and delete that item there, or click on the announcement and you can delete the item there. And it is now gone from the announcement list on the home page. And also for the calendar event, we can click on the name of the event and we can delete it right here. Come back out to our home page, and you can see that both events are now gone.